Hi, this is Abul Kalam. First, let us see some few questions, then we'll discuss the later. The first in direction sense. One morning, Uday and Vishal were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. If Vishal's shadow was exactly to the left of Uday, which direction Uday was facing? Okay. The description I will give in the next class. Okay. Just I'm going to read some few important questions from this topic. If southwest becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on, what will be west become? Next question. Rashik walked 20 meters towards north, and he turned right and walks 30 meter. He then turns right and walks 35 meter. Then he turns left and walks 15 meter. Finally, he turns left and walks 15 meter. In which direction and how many meters he is from the starting position? Okay, next question. A boy rode in his bicycle northward, then turned left and rode 1 kilometer, and again turned left and rode 2 kilometers. He found himself 1 kilometer west of the starting point of his starting point. How far did he ride northward initially? Okay, next one. Starting from the point X, Jayant walked 15 meters from west. He turned left and walked 20 meters. He then turned left and walked 15 meters. After this, he turned to his right and walked 12 meters. How far and in which direction is Jayant from X? Okay. Do you want to see the questions from the beginning? Okay, 1 minute. Just a quick glance. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. The first question I was talking about Uday and Vishal. Second one, southeast becomes north. Next, Rashik. Okay. Then next, a boy rode 1 kilometer turned. Okay. Then next, starting from point X. Okay. Here odd number of questions. Next, we'll move on to even number of questions. Next, we move on to even number of questions. Okay. Let me read the question now. Why is second question? Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me make the. Okay. Now, I hope. Okay. Y is in the west of X, in which is in the north of Z. If P is in the south of Z, then in which direction of Y is P? Okay, next question. A man walks 5 kilometers towards south, then he turns to his right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. Now, in which direction he sees from the starting point? Rahul puts his timepiece on the table in such a way that 6 p.m. hour hand points to north. In which direction is the minute hand point at 9:15 p.m.? Next question. One evening before sunset, Rekha and Hema were talking to each other face to face. If Hema's shadow was exactly on the right of Hema, which direction Rekha was facing? 10th question. Two cars start from the opposite places on a main road 150 kilometers apart. First car runs 25 kilometers, then takes a right turn, then runs for 15 kilometers. If then it then turns left and then runs for another 25 kilometers and then takes a direction back to reach the main road. In the meantime, due to the minor breakdown, the other car has run only 35 kilometers along the main road. What would be the distance? Okay, this is the question. The next one, what would be the distance covered? Okay, usually this type of questions quite common, just two or more questions. 11th one, if K is 40 meters southwest of L, M is 40 meters southeast of L, then M in which direction? Okay, 12th question. A man, okay, the last question is distance between the 2 points at this one. A man walks 2 kilometers from north, then he turns east and walks 10 kilometers. After this, he turns north and walks 3 kilometers. Again, he turns to his east and walks 2 kilometers. How far is he from the starting point? 13th question. The length and breadth of the room are 8 meter and 6 meter respectively. A cat runs along the four walls and finally along the diagonal in order to catch the rat. How much total distance covered by the cat? 14th question. One morning, Sujata started to walk towards the sun. After covering some distance, she turned to the right and then again to the right. And after covering some distance, she turned to the right. Now, in which direction is she facing now? 15th question. One morning after sunrise, Vimal started to walk. During this walking, he met Stephen, who was coming from the opposite direction. Vimal watched the shadow of the Stephen to the right of him. To which direction Vimal is facing? Okay, few questions just without reading, just I will show you. Gokul started from his house. Okay, this one, 16th one. You can take a screenshot. Okay, let me move on to 17th. P started from his house. 18th question. Okay, 19th. 19th is a long question. Okay, just take a screenshot. Okay, and finally 20th question. This is also a big question. Okay, take a screenshot. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Solutions will be given in the next videos.